anyone can make a travel video. Videos help freeze your favorite moments during your travels, letting you remember them forever. And when it comes to these travel videos, there are a few things you want to look out for. And we're gonna share some tips on how you can take better travel videos.
But before that, Sony came by and sent us a little present. Our friends at Sony sent us the 20mm F1.8G lens. We are really excited to try it out, so let's see what this little lens can do.
Alright, we are here at Chinatown and it's a great place to get fantastic street shots. So what you want to do is get a lot of establishing shots and accompanying B-roll to really set the stage of where you are in your videos. And the 20mm is perfect for that because it's a very nice wide-angle lens, and that means you can get very fantastic landscape shots. It's great for establishing shots and it's very good to get a lot of your surroundings into the frame. So an f-stop of 1.8 means the quality of the bokeh that you get is very creamy and it's very beautiful, and it gives you this very cinematic feel. And it's really good for portraits, it's very good for street shots, anything where you want to place focus on your subject.
This lens also comes with an aperture ring, and that means it's very easy and very fast to make changes to your depth of field, giving you a lot more time to catch the moments that matter.
Okay, so on our travels, a very good habit for you to pick up is to start vlogging, because vlogging helps to catch those genuine reactions and it helps to keep your audience engaged as well. So a good tip when you start vlogging is to not be an updater, and what I mean is that don't just tell the audience what you're currently doing.
We are on our way to get lunch.
Walking to get our lunch. We got our lunch now.
Okay, so when you're vlogging, remember to be a lot more descriptive about what you're doing. Just have a conversation with the camera, pretend you're talking to a friend. Be expressive, but remember to just be yourself.
And hey, if you're not vlogging on this lens, then you're really missing out, okay? The wide angle means it's perfect for vlogging, and look, it's tiny, okay? So this is all we're putting in our camera bags right now. It's so much lighter, it makes everything so much more convenient, and we're so excited to bring it on our future travels. Alright, and the last thing I want to talk about is shooting at night. So people often forget to take the night scenery, and that's huge waste because sometimes the charm, the real charm of the city you're in only comes out at night. I'm talking about the night lights, the city skyline. These are all things you want to capture as well. And this lens performs really well in low light conditions, especially if you pair it with a full frame camera like the A7iii. And the 1.8 aperture also means a lot of light is hitting your sensor, and this gives you a lot of opportunity to take long exposure shots, shoot on a lower shutter speed, and you get beautiful light trails. You can shoot cars, city lights, stars, you name it. It gives you an extra punch to all your videos. Travel videos are such a great way to tell stories about your trips, and anybody, and I really mean anybody, can make one. So pick up your camera, go out there, capture those moments, and create the memories you want to have.